Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all students? We hope everybody is fine at home and everybody is safe at home. Now, welcome back to Adams High School. It's our video class for class 3rd subject Maths. It's our video class for class 3rd subject Maths. So students, now today we will start our third bit. It's write the following standard form. Dear students, here some number names are given and you have to write the standard form of the given numbers. Given number names. Standard form is nothing but short form. Look at here very carefully, children. Position of the given numbers written here. You have to write these numbers in short form. Look at here. 2 at 100 position, 3 at 10th position, 7 at 1st position. So, the short form of this number is 237. And 237 is already written here. One has been done for you and we are starting by number second. It is 500, 6 tens, 1 ones. Here the position of the given numbers are also given. 5 at 100 position, 6 at 10th position and number 1 at 1 position. 6 plus 1, 6 tens plus 1, it means 61. 561. The short form of the number is 561. You have to write 561 here. Look at the third one. Is 6 at 100 position, 5 at 10th position, 9 at 1st position. The given number name is 600, 5 tens, 9 ones. And you have to write the short form of the given number names, that is 659. 5 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 59. 659. Now start the next one. 9 at 100 position, 6 at 10th position, 8 at 1st position. So you have to write the short form of the given number name. It is 968. 6 tens is equal to 60. 8 ones is equal to 8 only. 60 plus 8, it's nothing but 68. And 968, that means 968 is the short form of the given number name. Look at the last one. It's 6 hundreds, 8 tens, 2 ones. 6 at 100 position, it means 600. 8 tens is equal to 80. 2 ones is equal to only 2, because 2 is at 1's position. It means 682. Right here 682. So students, after completing the 13th bit, now we will start our 14th bit. It is write each of the following numeral as a sum of hundreds, tens and ones. Here some numerals are given and you have to write the positions of the given numeral. One has been done for you, that is 3 at 100 position, it means 3 hundreds, plus 7 at 10th position, it means 7 tens, plus 5 at 1's position is equal to 5 ones. Now we have to start the next one, that is 618. First you have to put the place value on it. Ones, tens, 100. Now this can be easily readable number, that is 618. That means 6 at hundreds position. You have to write 6 hundreds. HUNDREDS. Plus 1 at 10th position. You have to write 1 tens. 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 Plus 8 has 8 at 1's position. You have to write 8 ones. Similarly, we have to write next one. It means first we have to put the place value on it, ones, tens, 100. Look at the seven position. It is 7 at 100 position. That means 700. Write 700. HUNDREDS 700s plus 1 at tens position. Write 1 tens. TENS tens plus 9 at ones position. 9 ONES ones. Now let's start next one. It's 608. First you put the place value on it, ones, tens, 100. Now look at here, students. 6 at 100 position. Write 6 hundreds. HUNDREDS hundreds plus any number at tens position? No. So students, there is no number at tens position, so we did not write tens value. Look at here, 8 at ones position. Write 8 ones. That means 608. Exactly. Here our numeral, it's 608, and we have to write the position of the given numeral, that is 600 plus 8 ones. Look at next one. It's 179. First you put the place value on it, ones, tens, 100. 1 at 100 position, so you have to write 100s. HUNDREDS hundreds plus 7 at tens position. Write 7 tens. Tens plus 9 at ones position. Write 9 ones. Now we have completed our 14th bit. To write the numeral as the sum of hundreds, tens and ones, we have to write the sum of the hundreds, tens and 9 and ones to given numerals. Okay students, let's start our next bit, that is write the face value and place value of underlined digit. Now students, you have to write the place value and face value of the given numbers. Look at here students, number 675 are given, and the face value of the underlined digit is 7. The underlined digit face value is 7 and place value is 70. You know student, what is place value and face value? Place value describes the position or place of a digit in a given number. Place value. And a face value of a digit describes the value of the digit itself. Each digit of the number has a value depending on its place. Look at here, for example. The given numeral is 675 and the face value is 7 and place value is 70. The underlined digit is 7 and its face value is 7 and place value is 70. Face value of any number can be represented as the value of the digit itself. Look at here, for example, the face value of the underlined digit is 7. Okay. In number 675 is 7 itself. Face value in number 675 is 7 itself. And the place value represent the position of a digit in a number. For example, the place value of digit, underlined digit 7 in 675 is 70. First we put the place value on it, ones, tens, 100. And the underlined digit at tens position. It means 7's place value is 70. Now we have to write second number. It's 319 and the underlined digit is 9 and the face value of 9 is 9 itself, and the place value of 9 is also 9 because 9 at ones position. Look at the next number students, it's 765 and the underlined digit is 7 and its face value of the underlined digit is 7 itself. write 7 here. And the place value of the underlined digit is 700 because 7 at 100 position. Write 700 here. Understand everyone? Now let's do one more. It's 875 and the underlined digit is 5. You have to write the face value of the underlined digit. It's 5 itself. And the place value of the underlined digit is the position of the number. That is also 5 because 5 at 1's position. Now check another number. It's 965. The given number is 965 and the underlined digit is 9. You have to write the face value of the underlined digit. That is 9. Number itself. 9 itself. And the position of the number is 9 at 100 position. 9 at 100 position, you have to write the position of the number. That means place value of the underlined digit is 900. Have you understand, students? Hope you understand very well. Now we are completed today's video class. Inshallah we will meet another video class. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.